mean and variance on the CASIO natural display calculator. Let's say that we've got the following data values that belong to a population. So this is all of the data in this population. So to put the data into the calculator, that's the data in. Shift 1 for statistics. Option 2 will give us the population mean, because we've put a data into the calculator that represents a population. So here's the population mean. Option 3 will give us the population standard deviation. And if we square that value, we'll get the variance. Let's assume now that the data in the calculator is a random sample, and it's not the population, it's not all of the data, it's just a part of the data, a sample. So to work out the sample mean, option 2, same as before. Now for this sample, the sample standard deviation is option 3, 2.73. So the sample variance is 7.44. And you might recall this formula, which gives an unbiased estimate of the population variance using the sample variance. N is 5. There are 5 data values. So 5 over 5 minus 1 times 7.44. So this calculation gives 9.3. And if we square root it, we get 3.05. 3.05 on the calculator is option 4. What this example shows is that option 2 will give you the mean, whether you're working with a population or a sample. If you're working with a population, then the population standard deviation is option 3. If you're working with a sample, then once you've worked out the sample standard deviation and variance, they would be used to work out estimates for the population standard deviation and variance. So for a sample, option 4 is giving the unbiased estimate of the population standard deviation. And if you square that value, you'll get an unbiased estimate for the population variance.